Have you ever wanted your iPhone lock screen to look more personalized with your own name written right on it? Most people don't know this trick, but you can actually do it without downloading any application. The secret: focus mode. Let me show you exactly how. Step 1. Create a focus mode. Open settings on your iPhone and tap on focus. Now hit the plus button to create a new focus. Instead of choosing something like work or sleep, select custom. This is where the magic happens. In the focus name section, type your own name, for example, Devyansh, or any other text you would like to show on your lock screen. You can also pick a color and icon to make it more stylish. Step 2. Activate your focus. After creating it, just toggle the focus on. Now lock your phone and wake it up. Right under the time, you will see the name displayed neatly. That's your lock screen personalized in seconds. Also, you will see the logo next to time, which looks amazing. The best part, you're not limited to just your name. You can create multiple focus modes with different names, codes, reminders, or even fun words. Switching between them changes the text on your lock screen instantly. It's a neat little customization hack that very few people know about. And that's how you can change your name on your iPhone lock screen using focus mode. Simple and free. If you like this trick, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone hacks.